clear manifestations of their invaluable support to our humble school as billeting house of our dear Caraga delegation. To our good LGU Dinras Executive, beloved Mayor, Honorable Geoffrey P. Sagid, who is now our Sangguniang Panlalawigan-elect of the province of Ilocos Norte, who has been very generous and supportive to this event. All our requests were approved by his office. Thank you, sir, from the bedrolls to everything that was provided by the LGU of Dinras. And of course, our equally active and very helpful and supportive Vice Mayor, Sir Ergio Valenzuela. Sir, thank you so much. And the SB members, and one of the SB members is here with us, SB member Joey Apostol, who is also our PTA Federated President of Dinras. Thank you for all the help, sir. To our, of course, we have our officials from the regional office, and representing our regional director is Madam Emeline Hubayan, the ASDS of the Division of La Union. Thank you, ma'am. And the representative of the regional director, Tolentino Aquino of Region 1. Likewise, along with the equally